Hello, I'm Emma, a professional illustrator and animator, and I love to design characters. I've done character design and visual development for clients like National Geographic, Disney, American Girl, and many others. If you've ever wanted to learn the secrets of great character design, as well as drastically improving your illustration skills, then get ready for Character Design Fundamentals from School of Motion. In this self-paced course, I'll take you all the way from your very first character design through the completion of a full character model sheet, just like you'd create in a professional production. You'll learn tons of great drawing tips, and we'll be spending a lot of time in Procreate, though you can use any drawing tool you like. I'll teach you about the psychology of character design and how shape language, basic anatomy, and harmony and balance can all work together to create characters that feel fun, detailed, and appropriate for any project. We'll dive into clothing, props, different illustration styles, and techniques like using texture and varying line quality. We'll talk about color and style, and you'll get to watch me draw a lot. And in the end, you'll know exactly how to create professional model sheets for both 2D and 3D characters that can be used for any animation technique. You'll also get lots of bonus content that dives into the career opportunities that open up when you add this skill to your arsenal. This class is jam-packed with video lessons, podcasts, and PDFs, and you'll even have an opportunity to try out techniques I'm teaching you through fun and challenging exercises. Learning to design characters has been incredibly rewarding to me both personally and in my career. And in Character Design Fundamentals, I'm showing you almost everything I know. Happy drawing!